So to set up the HD Homerun, you are going to go to my.hdhomerun.com. So go to that web page and you'll get this that comes up. It'll automatically detect the HD Homerun Connect that's set up on your network. So then you select this box here and you'll get a little interface that comes up here. So you can go to channel lineup here. You can do your detect channels. So you just select detect channels. You want to make sure that I'm using it for an HDTV antenna, so you of course want it to be selected on antenna, then select detect channels. So this is all of the channels that my antenna picked up. As you can see, I got a few channels, over 40 channels. You have to use the back button to go back. You can look at your system status. Tells you the IP address if you wanted to log directly into the unit. Has a firmware upgrade, so I did have to do the firmware upgrade, and it was pretty much automatic. When I first set it up, it said that it needed to do a firmware upgrade. I said yes to do the update, and it did it all itself. You have the tuner status, everything. So if you need more information, you can go in here. These are the different devices that you can set it up on. So you have your Xbox, Amazon Fire, any Android tablet, an iPad or iPhone, a Mac computer or a Windows computer, so you can install that and set it up. So now that you have the app installed, open the app. And it just takes a second to load up. So there you go. There's the channel streaming there from the HD Homerun to a Windows PC computer. If you want to scroll through the channels, you can just use your up and down arrow on your keyboard and then select enter to watch a show. Again, up or down arrow on the keyboard allows you to view a channel. If you want to see what's on the show, a bit more information, you can go right arrow, and that gives you information about the show. You can continue going right, and it tells you what's on later in the evening. It's a fairly simple interface. Again, just up and down, and then right to see what's on later, and left to come back to the current show. Escape will take you to the full screen of the system. So that's it, running on a PC computer, Windows 10. So now we're going to run the app on an Android tablet. So it's very similar to the computer. So you're going to just touch the screen, and then you have your channels that you can scroll through here, and then just select it to change the channel. Again, just touch the screen, scroll through the channels. If you want to see what's on later on a channel, you can scroll right like this. Again, to watch a channel, just select it. So that's the HD Homerun running on an Android tablet. So on the Nvidia Shield, you also have this here. It's live channels, so you can set up the HD Homerun as a source for the live channels. And the interface is quite nice. So again, you can watch your channels right inside this. But now if we hit the select button on the remote, we can bring up a program guide, and now we can scroll through and We can see what's on. It gives you a nice program guide. Well, that's a pretty sweet feature that the Nvidia Shield has. So you have a full guide here. If you set up a remote hard drive on, say, a computer or a network attached storage, then you'd be able to set up recordings here like any other PVR as well. So you'd be able to record and then play back those recorded shows or movies. So that is the setup on the Nvidia Shield.